Alright guys, here we have a box stock MN86K with the KS accessories attached on it and ball bearings and everything. In actuality, this is actually just a KS, my yellow one, with the white body on it and all the accessories put on it. So this is pretty much what a KS should run like. This is on a Hobbywing 1060 ESC and a cheapo receiver with this controller that came with one of my RTRs, my crawlers, my Caster Racing CJ10. Well, let's get this guy up there for a run. I just want to show you guys how smooth this thing is, and I'm still wondering why this one hasn't taken off as much as the MN99s have and MND90s have, because this thing right here, I believe, is a way better kit to assemble and a really fun trail truck. It's not a crawler, that's for sure, but as a trail truck, it does get going good. As you can tell, the wheels aren't glued on or anything, so they're slipping a little bit, but it'll work for this run. I've ran it this way a couple times and it's still fun. I'm not even showing what I'm doing right now. Look at that slow crawl control. This thing is fun, really fun to play with, guys. It's a good truck. Definitely a good 12 scale to play with. Look at that. No issues whatsoever. Maybe going down here because of a lot of weight. We'll see. I might have to go fast. See? We made it, no problem. Here's a nice little loose climb right here for you. hung up on stuff. Sometimes you gotta bounce. All right, here's a very off-camber section right here. I know video doesn't do it justice, but I am leaning to the right, and there's a chance of me rolling. But we'll see what it does up here. I'm not sure if I've taken this one up here, but I think I have when it was in the yellow body shell. Alright, I've never been up there, but I'm going to try to go up there this time. Let's see if I can go up there. Oh no! That damage anything? Nope. Thing is a beast. Continue on this way. Oh, definitely doesn't help that I have one wheel just spinning in its rim. Oh, wow. With my camera and everything. Alright guys, there you guys go. That's one of my favorite rigs right there. No joke, MN86KS. I really like this rig. If you guys haven't seen one or haven't been interested, check it out, because building one of these kits, they even have them on RTR now too, so you can check out the links below. I'll have them RTR and kits, but the kits is what I recommend because you learn how to build your RC and you end up knowing how to fix it, knowing how to put other RCs together, because once you get one of these guys together, all the name brand kits are a piece of cake. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always, be safe out there, have fun, and go run that RC.